which includes Sales Cloud basically. Now, what is the role of a Sales Cloud? Sales Cloud mainly works based on leads, accounts, contacts, and opportunity. Leads can be further converted into accounts. Contact and opportunity object are important and inbuilt functionality of the Sales Cloud. There are more. If any customer field are added to the lead object, it is also possible to set the mapping of for them. Opportunities are well managed by giving them different stages and probabilities. Now this is just the fundamental aspect of the Sales Cloud, but going with the practical aspects also, I'll be sharing a link with you. I want you to visit this particular link so that you can explore more on creation of the lead, account, contact, and opportunity objects in Salesforce. I just want you to visit this particular link, and if there are any questions, please do ask with respect to the same. And parallelly, you have to perform practical based on creation of lead, account, contacts, and opportunity. Is the link visible to all?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So as we had a discussion on Salesforce Sales Cloud, I want you to explore the creation of lead, accounts, contact, and opportunity objects in Salesforce. There is a little issue with my microphone. Maybe my voice might be glitching or cracking in between. So kindly put any queries on the chat so that we can discuss this further. Yes, you are supposed to see the link. Just go through it, and how in the Salesforce we can create various components related to Sales Cloud, like lead, how we can create, how we can create contact, how we can create accounts, and how we can look for the opportunities, how we can do the campaign. All these things need to be go through. Yes, everyone should be available in the chat. If anybody is willing to ask any questions, any doubt, they can post it simply in the chat. I will take care of the queries.